Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Marcona oil is probably one of the most sought-after ingredients in the beauty industry today, renowned for its incredible moisturizing and nourishing properties that can transform dry, damaged hair into luscious, healthy locks. If you're on the hunt for a hair product that promises to deliver unparalleled shine, softness, and manageability, then look no further, as we dive deep into the world of Marcona oil hair treatments to uncover the gems that truly stand out. Number 5. Moroccanoil Treatment Hair Oil. Discover the transformative power of our signature hair oil. It's formulated to nourish and revitalize your locks, leaving them incredibly soft and shiny. Experience the magic of Argan oil. This luxurious treatment helps detangle, reduce frizz, and add a beautiful sheen to all hair types. Infused with antioxidants, it shields your hair from environmental damage. Enjoy healthier, more manageable hair with every use. Use it as a conditioning, styling, and finishing tool. It absorbs quickly, without leaving any greasy residue, for a flawless finish. Whether your hair is fine, thick, color-treated, or natural, this versatile oil is your go-to solution. Achieve salon-worthy results at home. Give your hair the ultimate pampering it deserves. It enhances natural shine and elasticity, making your hair look and feel its best. What we like? This is the original and most iconic Argan oil treatment. It's incredibly versatile, working as a conditioner, styler, and finisher. If you want that classic, glossy finish in a product trusted by professionals, this is your go-to. What people say. This product is amazing, it leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. I love how this product smells, it has a light and pleasant fragrance. My hair has never looked healthier since I started using this product. Number 4. Hydrating Hair Serum for Dry and Frizzy Hair. Are you tired of battling dry and frizzy hair? Our lightweight serum is designed to bring your hair back to life. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable locks. Experience the difference of a leave-in treatment that won't weigh your hair down. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind. Just pure hydration and control. Don't let split ends ruin your look. This powerful formula works to repair and strengthen your hair from within. Achieve healthier looking ends with every use. Enriched with keratin, biotin, castor, and rosemary oils, it nourishes your scalp and strands. These potent ingredients work together to restore vitality and shine. Enjoy a beautiful, smooth shine while protecting your hair from heat styling. It creates a protective barrier, keeping your hair healthy and vibrant, even with daily styling. This versatile serum is perfect for anyone struggling with dryness and frizz. It's your go-to solution for achieving salon-quality results at home. What we like? This serum is a powerhouse for dry and frizzy hair, offering deep hydration and smoothing. It actively repairs split ends with a blend of beneficial oils and keratin. If your hair is constantly battling dryness and frizz, and you need a leave-in treatment that works hard, this is the one for you. What people say. This hair oil is amazing, it leaves my hair feeling so soft and looking shiny. I love how lightweight this oil is. It doesn't weigh my hair down at all, and it absorbs quickly. My hair has never looked healthier since I started using this product. It's great for taming frizz and adding moisture. Number 3. OUAI Hair Oil. Introducing the OUAI Hair Oil, your ultimate solution for achieving smooth, shiny hair. This powerful formula is designed to protect your strands from heat damage. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to radiant shine. It effectively controls frizz and leaves your hair looking healthy and vibrant. Tired of split ends? This oil works to smooth them out, giving your hair a polished and revitalized appearance. Get ready for a sleek finish. Your hair color will remain vibrant and protected. It's formulated to be safe for color-treated hair, ensuring your shade stays true. We believe in gentle care. It's free from parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, making it a clean choice for your hair. Enjoy pure nourishment. This convenient 1.5 fluid ounces bottle is perfect for your daily hair care routine. It's the ideal size to keep your hair looking its best wherever you go. What we like? This oil is designed to tame frizz and provide essential heat protection for your strands. Its color-safe formula ensures your vibrant hues remain intact. If you frequently use heat styling tools or have color-treated hair and need a lightweight oil to smooth and protect, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is amazing for my hair. I love how it makes my hair feel so soft and manageable. It smells great and leaves my hair looking shiny and healthy. Number 2. Briogeo Scalp Revival Rosemary Pre-Wash Oil. Introducing a revolutionary pre-wash oil designed to bring relief to your scalp. It effectively moisturizes and calms irritation, leaving your scalp feeling refreshed and comfortable. Are you struggling with a dry, flaky, or itchy scalp? This potent treatment is formulated to directly address these concerns, providing much-needed hydration and soothing relief. Beyond scalp care, it works to strengthen your hair from the root. Experience healthier, more resilient strands with consistent use of this nourishing oil. Harnessing the power of rosemary, this oil is a natural solution for scalp health. Its invigorating properties help to revitalize and promote a balanced scalp environment. We believe in clean beauty. That's why this product is vegan and cruelty-free, ensuring you get effective results without compromise. Feel good about what you're putting on your scalp. Transform your hair care routine with this exceptional pre-wash treatment. It's the perfect first step to achieving a healthier scalp and stronger, more beautiful hair. What we like. This product focuses on revitalizing your scalp, offering a moisturizing treatment for dryness and itchiness. It's formulated to strengthen hair from the roots and promote a healthier scalp environment. If you struggle with scalp issues like dryness or flakiness, or want to improve hair strength from the source, this pre-wash oil is ideal. What people say. The product is great for my hair. I love how it makes my hair feel so soft and manageable. Number 1. HerStyler Argan Oil Hair Repair Serum. Introducing HerStyler Hair Repair Serum, your secret weapon for achieving luscious locks. This potent formula is designed to revitalize and nourish your hair from root to tip. Tired of battling frizz and dryness? Our argan oil-infused serum effectively tames unruly strands, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. It's perfect for those seeking a sleek, polished look. Experience unparalleled shine and effortless styling. This lightweight serum absorbs quickly, providing essential hydration without weighing your hair down. Get ready to turn heads with your radiant mane. Not only does it combat damage, but it also promotes a thicker, fuller appearance. Achieve the voluminous hair you've always dreamed of with consistent use. Its fast-absorbing nature means you get instant hydration and nourishment. Enjoy the benefits of healthy, vibrant hair without any greasy residue. This 2 fluid ounces bottle is your go-to solution for daily hair care. Make it a part of your routine for consistently beautiful and healthy-looking hair. What we like. This serum is specifically formulated to repair damaged hair and combat frizz, leaving it smooth and shiny. Its lightweight and fast-absorbing nature means it won't weigh your hair down. If you have damaged or frizzy hair and are looking for a quick, effective solution that provides hydration and enhances shine without greasiness, this is a great option. What people say. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. This product has a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering. My hair looks shinier and healthier since I started using it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.